Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads treasure box for May of 2025. There's also a contest going on, so I will be sending a link. They're doing it for all of the people who we've been working with Potomac Beads. We get to create something. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on it or I'm just going to kind of do it on my own and show you. I haven't thought that far in advance, but we have to have it in by May 7th. So, and it is May 1st, I think, today. So I have to get kicking on that. So if you're not familiar with Potomac Beads, this box monthly is $39.99 a month. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99. So you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99. So you save $120 a year. It's a great box. So let's see. This is Stormy Shores. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at these. Ooh. Faceted rounds, Czech faceted rounds, a blue-gray mix. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at the little shells. Oh, I'm really in a creative mood. Oh, look at this. Look at that Rivlly. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are going to start with the Potomac Crystal Rondelles. These are light sapphire, AB 2 by 3 millimeter. These are so pretty. Look at these. Look how pretty these are. Oh. I always have so much fun working with their beads. Look at that. That sparkle in there. So pretty. I can't wait for this contest. I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, and next is Potomac Crystal Biconee Beads, Aqua 4 millimeter, pack of 60. Look at these babies. Oh, look at that sparkle. Oh, these would be, oh my gosh. These would be pretty for like bridesmaid jewelry because there's so much sparkle on them. Like if you were making like, you know, a necklace or a pair of earrings or something. And next are the Potomac Crystal Rose Montes. And these have, they're double-sided, so you can do a crisscross with them. So see, that's the front, and then that's the back. So you go in one way, and then you can go in the other way. So you could do some really, really pretty combinations with these. And they're so sparkly. Okay. And next, Potomac Crystal Disco Balls in Montana, 6 millimeter. Love me some disco balls. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. They have such a sparkle to them. Okay, and next is the Fire Agate Faceted Round. 15-inch in aqua. Now these might fall out. Not sure. Oh, okay. They won't this time. So look at this. Look how pretty that is. Looks like the waters of the ocean here in the Gulf of Florida where I live. And then these are the sand. So this is a nice long strand. You could just take it And you could do like a double little bracelet if you wanted to. And run out for a margarita. Okay. And next are the Bonefish laser cut links. These are cool. They're so cool. See, they have, you can like do a little connector like that. Yeah, they're so cute. Okay, and next is the Potomac Crystal Rivlly. 18 millimeter. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It's the back. Wow, that is gorgeous. Whoa. Whew. It's almost blinding. It's so sparkly. Okay, and these are the Isuki seed beads, silver lined light sapphire 8/0, a 10. Okay. There's some of them. Oh, look how pretty these are. I love me a good seed bead, let me tell you. Seed beads are good for all occasions. Even if you don't bead weave, you can use them for as spacer beads in your jewelry. I use them a lot as spacer beads. You know, when you want that pop of color, a good seed bead will do it. And next is the Toho seed beads in opaque rainbow, navy blue, 11/0s. Oh, this is packed to the top. I don't want these to come flying out. Wow. Oh, look at these. Ooh. You can see that. There's almost like a pinkish hue to them too as well. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. I have so many seed beads from Potomac beads from the last couple of years. And it's still not enough. Okay, let me try and get this in without, oh, did I do it? I did it. Okay, wow. Okay, next are the Battoic Pearls and Comet, 3 millimeter. It's a nice long strand. It's a package of 67. These are pretty. Like I said, you can make yourself a little bracelet. Or these would even go around your, see, yeah, they fit all the way around my neck. You can make yourself a set of pearls. And then do a little, put that little Rivlly weave around it. Oh, you got yourself a necklace. Next is Athena Cast Charms Shells, 9 millimeter gold. Oh, these are pretty. So that's the back, and then these are the front. These are so pretty. And they're very sturdy. They're not thin. They're a nice, durable piece. Okay, and next is Athena Cast Metal Leaf Bales in silver. Let me see here. Okay, here's the leaf bales. So that's the side. That's the front. Very pretty. I do a lot with these. It'll be fun to work with. Okay. Oh, storm duals. I remember the first time I started working with 2-hole beads. It's like all of these creative things open up. And these are just so much fun, and I love that little wave. I don't know why they call them storm duo beads. Metallic aqua, there's a package of 80 of these. So that's pretty cool. You can do a lot with these. Okay, I love that little, it's got that little wave in it. Okay, and next, oh, these are so much fun. Disc Duo Beads Metallic Aqua, 6mm package of 50. Look at these, and there's 2 holes there. You can see them, yeah, there's 2 holes. I made, I will show you, I made this with one of my older boxes using the Disc Duo beads and then the Potomac pearls and everything. So yeah, I love using these and I like because they're flat too, so you have a lot of things you can do with them. So is that. And next, checklist fish beads, package of 12. How cute are these? Oh, how cute are these? And the hole goes right through the top. So look at, they have a really pretty cast on them. It's on both sides. How cute they are. They look like the Jesus fish, you know, when you see the, on the back of cars and stuff. And next is B-Tech. This is B-Tech magnetic needle case. Oh, wow. Oh, 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 wow. Look at that. They give you 2 needles. Let me check one. Okay, this is going to be fun. Hold on, I'm trying to pick this up. I cut my nails the other day, and oh, look at that. That is so cool. What a great idea. This is really cool. Okay, next is the Czech Conchells 15mm package of 3. These are so pretty. I love that little frost they've got going on. So the hole goes down, runs through it. I love that little frost on them. So pretty. This is so beachy themed, you know, in the stormy shores. And these are gorgeous. Check faceted rounds, 3mm, blue-gray mix, package of 60. So you get a lot of these. Let me open these up. Wow, look at these. It's a blue-gray mix. So pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, and last but not least, Check Smooth Around 6mm crystal blue. I don't know if I'm missing something. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I have, yeah, definitely be doing some bead weaving with all these beads. And look at that. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. going to spend this weekend working on, today's Thursday. Yeah, I'm going to spend this weekend working on that, that contest. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of all these gorgeous things from this month's box. Stormy Shores. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this, and if you get the Potomac bead box or not. And if not, it's something you should definitely look into. I will leave the link below to their website, and yes, definitely check them out, because I'm never disappointed with their monthly boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. I have lots of tutorials coming up and great fun things. So I eventually want to go on a shopping day and go buy some beads out. I think that'll be fun. So I will take you guys along for that. And I will leave a link below to all of my social media if you'd like to follow me on that as well. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.